Every 2 years, take your wooden Cuban Yoyo, get some 220 grit sandpaper, and sand it down. Not all the way down, but just scuffing up the surface, removing any dirt and grime and stuff, especially if you've been using it in an aluminum boat and got some of that paint and stuff and grub off of it. And apply 2 coats of spar varnish. Last time I did this was in 2020, right? About the beginnings of the lockdowns and such. And it's 2022 now, so we're getting ready to go fishing. Time to refinish the handline. It doesn't matter the brand of spar varnish, but it needs to be spar varnish, not regular varnish. Spar varnish has lots of UV inhibitors in it. And preferably get a varnish that has mold and mildew resistant additives in it as well. But spar varnish is what you want. And if you do that, you'll have, this reels will last a long time. Store them inside, take care of it like you would a expensive custom built canoe paddle or something. It'll last.